90% of people buying a Zojirushi rice cooker this year are going to pick the wrong model. And they won't realize it until they're staring at a cooker they overpaid for, or one that can't do half of what they actually need. That stops right here. Zojirushi has been engineering rice cookers since before most appliance brands even existed, and in 2026, their lineup is stronger than it has ever been. But here's what nobody tells you. The gap between their entry-level model and their top model isn't a small step up. It's a completely different category of machine. The right pick depends entirely on how often you cook, what you're cooking, and how much precision you actually want out of a rice cooker. So today we're counting down from number 6 all the way to number 1, the best Zojirushi on the market right now. And our number 1 pick is the one most serious rice eaters eventually wish they had just bought from the start, instead of working their way up to it. Stick around, because the ranking matters and every spot earns its place. All product links are sitting in the description right now. Let's get into it. Starting at number 6, the NP-HCC10 is Zojirushi's most accessible model. And if you've never owned a dedicated rice cooker before, this is the one that makes the most sense to start with. It runs on Micom technology. That stands for microcomputer, which means it automatically adjusts cooking time and temperature based on the type of grain you're working with. No guesswork, no babysitting the pot. The menu covers white rice, mixed rice, brown rice, sweet rice, porridge, and quick cooking. It also ships with a steaming basket, which lets you steam vegetables or fish right alongside your rice in the same cook cycle. A practical bonus you won't find on every model at this price. The automatic keep warm function holds your rice at a food-safe temperature for up to 12 hours after cooking finishes. The honest drawback is that the NP-HCC10 uses a conventional heating element at the base, not induction. That means heat distribution isn't as even as it could be, and the precision sealing is lower than every other model on this list. For daily rice cooking in a household where rice is a side dish rather than the centerpiece of every meal, it does exactly what it promises. You're looking at roughly $200 to $230. Solid entry point. But if rice is a serious part of your daily diet, you're going to want more than this cooker can give you. Keep watching. At number 5, the NP-HCC10 Neuro Fuzzy is the model that introduced a massive chunk of American households to just how good rice can actually get, and it still holds up in 2026. Neuro Fuzzy logic is a meaningful jump above basic Micom. The machine continuously senses conditions inside the pot and makes real-time micro-adjustments to heat and cook time as things change. You can accidentally add too much or too little water, and this cooker will compensate and still get you something worth eating. That adaptability shows up in real testing. CNN_ ran 23 different rice cookers through months of testing, brands including Cuckoo, KitchenAid, and Tiger, and the 10-cup version of this exact Zojirushi came out on top, consistently turning out fluffy results across sushi rice, brown rice, and basmati. Now, America's Test Kitchen independently named the 5.5-cup version their top performer, flagging its clear measurement markings and a keep-warm function that held rice at a safe serving temperature for 12 solid hours. The fair criticism is that the design is aging. This machine has been around a while, and it looks it. But performance-wise, trusted independent sources keep landing on it. Settings include white, mixed, porridge, semi-brown, browned, sweet, and rapid cooking, plus extended keep warm and reheat. Price sits around $220 to $270, one of the strongest value plays in the entire Zojirushi lineup. That said, once you see what induction heating actually does to a pot of rice, you will never look at this one the same way again. Number 4 is where the technology takes a real leap. The NP-HCC10 uses induction heating. Rather than warming from a single element at the bottom, the entire inner cooking pot is heated uniformly from all sides using electromagnetic energy. More even cooking, better grain texture, and a level of temperature precision that conventional heating simply cannot match. If the NP-HCC10 is a smart rice cooker, this one is a precise one. 9 cooking settings come built in. White, mixed, sushi, sweet rice, jasmine, porridge, brown, GABA brown, and quick cooking. That GABA brown setting is worth a pause. It holds the rice at exactly 104 degrees Fahrenheit during a pre-soak phase before cooking begins, which activates gamma-aminobutyric acid in the grain and increases it by up to 1.5 times compared to standard brown rice cooking. For anyone focused on blood pressure management or cleaner nutrition, that's a genuinely useful feature. not a gimmick. Steamy Kitchen called this their favorite rice cooker after well over a decade of daily use, specifically noting it's engineered to outlast most things in a kitchen. At around $290 to $350, the NP-HCC10 is the step-up pick for anyone who cooks rice regularly and wants noticeably better results without crossing into the premium tier. But here's the thing. If you're already considering this model, you might want to see number 3 before you make any decisions, because Zojirushi improved on it. Number 3 is the NW-JEC10, and this is Zojirushi's current IH model, the direct updated version of the NP-HCC10, and the improvements are real, not just marketing language. The flat-top design eliminates the traditional separate steam cap and replaces it with an integrated one. I know that cuts down on the number of components you need to pull apart and wash after every single cook. Fewer parts means less time cleaning and fewer small pieces you'll eventually lose. The menu expands to 12 cooking functions, adding steel-cut oatmeal, quinoa, quick jasmine, and a dedicated steam mode that older IH models simply don't have. If your household regularly cooks grains beyond white or brown rice, that range matters in a real way. The cooking pan features a double non-stick coating, which is a tangible upgrade over the single coat on earlier models, and the steaming tray is BPA-free. The NW-JEC10 runs about $340 to $400. It costs more than the NP-HCC10, but it's the newer, cleaner, more capable version of the same induction technology. If you're sitting between these two, the NW-JEC10 is the smarter long-term buy, every time, now. If you think that's impressive, wait until you see what happens when Zojirushi adds pressure to the equation. Number 2 is the NP-NW-JEC10, and this is the point on the list where Zojirushi stops building a rice cooker and starts building something that performs like a restaurant appliance. The NP-NW-JEC10 combines induction heating with actual pressure cooking, and that combination changes the chemistry happening inside the pot. The pressure process converts beta starch into alpha starch, making each cooked grain softer, more digestible, and noticeably sweeter in taste. If you've ever eaten rice at a quality Japanese restaurant and wondered why yours never comes out that way at home, this is a significant part of the answer. The system also runs AI-driven fuzzy logic, an adaptive algorithm that monitors and adjusts the cooking cycle continuously from start to finish. The inner cooking pan is platinum-infused, which Zojirushi says alters water quality during cooking for a cleaner, sweeter result from the grain itself. Menu settings include white, umami, mixed, sushi, jasmine, porridge, congee brown, GABA brown, steel-cut oatmeal, and quick cooking. At around $500 to $600, the NP-NW-JEC10 is a serious investment. But for a household where rice is on the table every single day and the standard for what counts as acceptable rice is genuinely high, it earns every dollar. The question is, does Zojirushi somehow do this even better? Yes. Yes, they do. The best Zojirushi rice cooker in 2026 is the NW-JEC10, and it isn't close. Made in Japan, built under Zojirushi's strictest internal manufacturing standards in their own facility. That detail matters. The NW-JEC10 takes the pressure plus induction formula from the NP-WC10 and adds a third heating element: convection. Heat doesn't just surround the pot, it actively circulates inside the cooker throughout the entire cycle. Combined with an iron-coated exterior that generates and stores heat more efficiently, and a platinum-infused non-stick interior for water quality, this machine attacks the cooking process from every possible angle simultaneously. What makes the NW-JEC10 stand apart from every other model on this list is texture control. You can set your white rice to one of 5 firmness levels: regular, soft, softer, firm, or firmer, and the machine executes that preference consistently, every single time, whether you're cooking 1 cup or 5.5. That is a level of personalization that rice lovers with specific texture preferences have genuinely never had access to at the home consumer level before. 13 cooking settings total, including jasmine, congee, steel-cut oatmeal, GABA brown, umami, quick jasmine, and a self-cleaning steam cycle that handles the internal components automatically. At $700 to $800, the NW-JEC10 is the most expensive Zojirushi on this list. But Zojirushi owners regularly report 15 to 20 years of daily use from their machines. Spread that cost across 2 decades of perfectly cooked rice every day, and the number looks a lot more reasonable than it does on the product page. This is the one that serious rice eaters look back on and say they wished they had just started with instead of working their way through the lineup first. So that is the full ranking. 6 Zojirushi rice cookers, every one of them available right now in the US market, and every one of them earning its spot. If you're brand new to the brand, the NP-HCC10 gets you in the door. If you want years of independent testing behind your pick, the NP-HCC10 is hard to argue with. And if you want the absolute best that Zojirushi makes, the NW-JEC10 is the answer. No debate. All 6 are linked in the description below with current pricing so you can compare before you decide. Drop a comment and tell me which one you're going with. I actually read every single one. If this video saved you from buying the wrong cooker, hit that like button. It genuinely helps the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.